Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you a news update. So not good news has reached the Lehigh Valley recently as it ranked 17th worst out of 28 urban areas in terms of air quality. This comes as no surprise as in years past, the American Lung Association's annual state air report usually gives the Lehigh Valley a middle grade ranking, though there hasn't been much improvement, if any, in air quality. Some of the increase in air pollutants may be attributed to increased warehouses and trucking in the area. The chair of the Lehigh Valley Planning Commission made a statement that with outdoor recreation in the valley bringing in $800 million, poor air quality is simply not an option anymore. He proposed green requirements for warehouses and is hoping to implement climate change plans with the Lehigh Valley Department of Environmental Protection. What do you think? What is one way that you personally can help improve the air quality in the valley? Let us know in the comments and be sure to tune in for the next news update. Thanks for watching.